Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder by milk. Heat 1 liter of milk to just below boiling, add a tablespoon of acid, stir gently, and watch curds form. Strain curds through cheesecloth, press out excess whey, then dry curds in a low oven or dehydrator until brittle. Grind dried curds to a fine powder, cool, and store in an airtight container for easy use. Begin by warming 1 liter of milk to about 85 degrees Celsius slowly to prevent scorching. Stir continuously while adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar to separate curds from whey. Once curds form, strain through cheesecloth and press gently to remove excess liquid. Spread curds on a tray and dry in a low oven or dehydrator until fully brittle. Grind to a fine powder, cool completely, and seal in an airtight jar for storage. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and cooking guides anywhere, whether in the kitchen or on the go, and its adjustable light keeps pages easy to read. I find it handy for following steps while keeping my tablet clean. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you prefer leaner protein, use skim milk to get a drier, higher protein yield per weight. For flavored powders, add cocoa or vanilla after grinding so flavors disperse evenly without affecting drying. Monitor drying by testing a small piece. It should snap cleanly when dry. Store powder away from moisture and heat and label jars with date. Use within a few months for best freshness and consistent texture in shakes and baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.